Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit profile details in the Vinted app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Vinted app. Here it usually opens up in the home menu, but from the home menu we have to go into the profile menu. And in the profile menu we have to scroll down a little bit to find the settings button. And after tapping on the settings button, at the top of the list there is profile details. We tap on this, and here we can select a profile picture. We can write a little bio that tells our buyers, for example, something about ourselves. We can select our location, and we can even select whether to show the city in our profile or not. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and see you in the next one. Bye.